I see AI bridging the gap first between AVIT and the support model, as we're always being challenged to reevaluate how we use the resources. Data analytics of AI, having so much data that we push out there, I think it will play a role into preventive maintenance through the data analytics. For example, we're looking at how many times someone connects and disconnects an HDMI cable. We know that it's going to have a shelf life. We know after a certain amount of time that this HDMI is going to be a goner. Now we have a number because the industry told us so, right? But what if I'm having a Kramer versus an Extron versus put your cable here? Over 3 years, I might learn or less that my cables or this particular cable is failing after X amount of connection. Go ahead and replace one before the system breaks, right? I'm thinking end user side or admin side versus the room, our users using the rooms. AI could, announce them that the room is down and find them another room and book it for them. So bandwidth for me and automation is something that I'm looking forward to, and not for the purpose of, hey, I need to reduce my work force and my team. It's more about where can I channel some of that bandwidth gain to continue to innovate and to continue to grow the team knowledge even in this field.